Hey all, and welcome to Flothemes. In this video, I will go over one of the exciting features that we're launching in June 2020, and that is a library of style kits. This is a feature that all of our Flothemes users will be able to access fully through an yearly subscription. However, we do have great news for all of our mono theme users. Mono Flothemes users will have access to an additional style kit of their choice for free. So you get a chance to experience what is a style kit and how it works. And great news for our loyal users of classic themes, you'll be able to unlock style kits that correspond to your classic theme purchases throughout this years without any subscription needs. So this means you'll have access to a lot of really cool goodies. And let me just go ahead and dive in. What is actually a style kit, why we're so excited about it, and why we're raving about it so much. So each style kit comes with a font system. That means you get a combination of typography and of fonts that allow you to present your brand online in a very complex and structured way. It's not just one or two fonts pairings. It's really a font system to allow you a presentation that will be structured around your communication. You also get two color palettes for each of the style kits, again, allowing you a bit more visual direction and communication so you can curate how you present yourself online. And each style kit comes with 20 unique blocks that make it special. So let's see how this all works in the dashboard. I'll go ahead and access a test site that I have here. And here you'll notice that we have a new tab, which is Flex Admin. Here I have all of my style kits that are purchased under the Purchase tab. And this actually includes all of my style kits that correspond to my classic theme purchases. So within this initial release, we have 6 classic style kits, or 6 style kits inspired by classic themes, and 6 style kits that match our Flex theme. So I have here my Crowd, Evora, Fiji, Osaka, Lovely, and Porto. And I also can explore the other style kits that are available, which also includes Elise, Faro, June, Lyra, Velvet, and Verso. So I can see what is inside each one of these, what are the font combinations, what are the color schemes, and I can also preview that. So this will open up our mono Flex theme, since it allows us to preview all of the style kits. And we also actually have access to view those style kits in action. So here is a page inside mono where I can see all of the style kits on one page, and I can open up each style kit just to see the unique blocks that come inside. So just a quick way to visualize that and preview that on a working website online. So as a classic theme user, you'll be able to unlock the style kits that match your classic theme purchases. And if you want full access to all of the style kits, you'll just be able to subscribe if you want to add that on, so and purchase the subscription. So let us see how this all work inside the actual pages and inside the website. So under the purchased area, you'll see all of the style kits that you have access to. You'll also notice labels like installed label, global label, and some of them don't have labels. That's because they're not installed. So in the Install tab, you'll have the ability to see everything that is applied, everything that is installed in terms of style kits, and some of them are not installed, so you can go ahead and install them. Let's say our Lovely style kit here is not installed, so I'll go ahead and install that. I can also edit this further and create a custom style kit based on Lovely. So there's a lot of options within this dashboard to work with the style kits and apply them. So I'm able to not only install but apply a style kit as a global style kit if I want to overwrite my mono global style kit. I will not do this for now. What I wanted to show you actually is how cool it is to use these style kits within just a page, for example. This will work great for those of you who have multi-brands within your main site brand, where you have different categories of clients that you want to curate to your communication visually. So I'll go ahead within a page that I have here, which is a sample page. I have my mono global style kit here applied, as I can see. And let's say I want, for this specific page, I want to have a different style. So we can preview how this page looks right now. And it will not have images. However, you'll notice how the text looks, and it's all mono related, the colors and so forth. So this is all mono style. And if I go ahead and apply a different style here, I'll just enable a custom style kit over here and select from the drop down with available installed style kits. So let's say I'm going to go with June here. I'll update my page. So in a matter of a click, I can basically change the colors and the fonts across the page without much challenges or steps to make. So you can see that this has all been updated, and I'll just have to update my images and text to match that. I hope this kind of explains why we're so excited about this feature. That means you don't actually need to, change your whole theme to update your site. You can add a new style kit that comes with unique blocks and a different view and a style and aesthetic, and fully update your site just with one click. So we're really excited to see what our users will make out of it. Please don't hesitate to connect with us if you have any questions. Consult our documentation on how this all works and how you can further make edits and adjustments. And we'll continue sharing videos how to work with style kits and what you can achieve with those within your Flex themes. Thank you and wish you a great day.